Hi, welcome back.
Hi, in this video we go to the Milford Sound.
Yeah, fantastic.
So I got the deal through BookMe. It was $139 each and that included a packed lunch. We went from Queenstown to Milford Sound. It was a 12-hour journey, so we left at 7 from Queenstown and came back at 7.
Yeah.
So it was a long day, but it was good, eh?
Yeah.
You didn't sort of realise it was a long day. I think we got the best weather we could possibly have.
Oh yeah, it was fantastic, wasn't it?
The only thing with the best weather was you didn't have the best waterfalls.
No.
But hey, that was still good. We saw one really impressive waterfall and just the scenery.
Yeah.
Just the scenery going there, the scenery on the boat and the scenery coming back is just incredible.
Yeah.
There was lots of different stops on the way there that we could take photos and
good.
we give it the thumbs up, just a fantastic trip.
Yeah.
So enjoy.
What are we doing, Sandy?
Well, it's 2:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
And we're waiting to get on the bus to go to Milford Sound today.
Nice.
So we have to leave very early.
Hey Sandy, where are we?
We are on our way to Milford Sound.
Yeah, and wow, it looks like it's going to be pretty special.
Oh, I think it's going to be right, eh?
Yeah. Well,
at least it's not stupid o'clock anymore.
no. And the weather's come right. It's looking great, isn't it?
Yeah.
The Alps gets about 3 metres of rainfall a year. Milford, where we're going, is considered one of the wettest populated places on Earth. Roughly 8 to 10 metres of rainfall a year. Over the course of the year, it's raining about 220 days of the year out of Milford. This is about as good as the weather gets out here today. I'm a tunnel up in front.
Oh my goodness, Sandy, where are we?
Oh, Milford Sound. It's awesome.
Isn't it? Fantastic. Lots of boats here.
I think we
Lots
picked the weather lottery too.
Yeah, you did.
We won the weather lottery.
Fantastic. Blue skies. Oh, I'm going to just get so much footage here, it's not funny.
I know, look at all the boats.
I know. Best thing is, love you.
We're in the Milford Sound, and just behind us is the Tasman Sea.
Beautiful. Can you see Australia?
Yeah.
You cannot. It's all rubbish. That's incredible, isn't it? Yeah. Have we been your best guests yet or not?
Your best guest yet?
Yeah. Just
Oh, I'm on camera, I feel the pressure.
Yeah.
I'd definitely say you're up there in the top 10.
Thank you. Well done. Righto, that was Milford Sound. Fantastic trip. Brad, the driver, he really did a really great job.
Yeah, on the way there, he told us all these facts and interesting stories about the area, and it was really good. So it stopped you from falling asleep on the way there. And then on the way back, he actually shut up to let you fall asleep on the way back. So it was actually a perfect day. Really, with Southern Discoveries, a really great trip, and highly, like I said before, highly recommend.
Yeah.
Cool. See you next time.